Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're playing Teddy. Let's go. This is the part 2 of playing Teddy. I loved it, bro. I really loved it. Ooh, there's the Teddy. I saw the Teddy. Don't go there. I saw the Teddy. He's good at this game, bro. Maybe it's player or it's AI. I need to go there fast so the Teddy can kill us faster. Let's be fast. Oh, yellow. What's this? Maybe this for the entrance one. Huh? Is this it? No. Maybe I need to go here. Yeah. Oh, it's the orange one. Is the orange here? Nope, the orange not here. Green? Okay. Here? Okay, let's accept that. Okay, where's the block key though? I need the block key. No, the Ted is there again. Where's the block key? I mean the block chest. Sorry guys, my grammar is not good at English because I'm Filipino. Where's the block chest or the block door here? There. Oh, there's the dart. I need to go here. No, I died. I'm not good at this game. Guys, if you want to add me, I'll give you some free brain notes in Escape Tsunami. Let me choose daycare. Oh, my Teddy selection chance is 8.3. Let's choose nightmare. Okay, let's choose player. Cause player sucks us. Cause player's not good at Teddy. I have to go now. Have fun. Please don't leave me. I'll be back soon. Go and play with that teddy bear. Oh no, the teddy's... Mommy! Bro, we need to find to escape. We need to find the key, blue key. Find the blue key. I just find the blue key. I know where's the blue. I know where's the blue. It's right in here. Right? Sorry guys. My dog is scratching. So it sounds like he's crying, but he is scratching her. Oh, the teddy. I see the teddy. Now we need to go here. Cyan key. Just got the cyan key. Ooh, the teddy. There's the teddy. Let me go here. Ooh, the teddy killed her. No. And the code. I just found the code. It's from the exit. We need block key and the code. And I just got the code. There. The teddy's not there. Teddy's not there. Oh, I see the teddy. He's right standing there. Oh, you found the green key? Nice. Go there, and get the black key so we can skip here. Not there. Bro, no hair here, not there. Bro, is he dumb? Bro, here. Here, come here. Here. Bro. See? Bro, why didn't you get the chest? I mean, open the chest, bro. He's so dumb, bro. But it's okay. It's just a game. Did someone escape? Nope. Let me open. There. I got the block key. I've got the block key. Oh. There. I'm gonna escape, guys. There, I escaped. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for your support. Bye-bye.